This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned, at no extra cost to you, because they're the best in the industry. Think private investigators are all stakeouts, fedoras, and grainy surveillance footage? Think again. By 2025, 90% of private investigators won't carry a badge or a gun, and the ones who don't are already earning twice as much. Here's why everything you know about becoming a PI is dead wrong. The PI industry is undergoing a massive shift, and if you're still chasing that Magnum PI dream, you're about to get left behind. In 2025, the game isn't about finding clues, it's about decoding them. And if you don't adapt, you'll be outworked, outsmarted, and outpaid by Gen Z investigators with laptops, AI tools, and a Starbucks latte. These aren't rookies. They're tech-savvy hunters rewriting the rules. So, still think you're ready for 2025? Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Bizee, a professional formation service company that specializes in helping you file your LLC or corporation. Bizee is an amazing company that simplifies the entire process of creating your LLC. They even offer a service where they'll file your LLC on your behalf, saving you from all the hassle. A full review of Bizee is available in the description box below, and their website is linked in the first comment. Make sure to check them out. In 2025, the world of private investigation is evolving at a breathtaking pace. Cutting-edge technology, like drones that silently surveil from above, online research tools that dig through mountains of data, and AI-powered systems that predict patterns, is completely rewriting the traditional PI playbook. And licensing requirements? They're not what they used to be. Streamlined digital processes now mean you no longer need decades of credentials, a formal degree, or even a badge to succeed. The gatekeepers of the past are giving way to an era where innovation and tech savviness reign supreme. But here's a myth to shatter. You don't need a badge or a gun to be a PI anymore. In 2025, the real tools that define a modern investigator are digital forensics, OSINT, and blockchain tracing. An anonymous PI, let's call her Sarah, cracked a $2 million crypto scam from her couch, armed with nothing but dark web crawlers and a laptop. No trench coat, no stakeouts, just pure digital sleuthing. So, what does this mean for you? Your new toolkit starts with learning the basics of Python, mastering investigative tools like Maltego, and getting certified in cyber investigations. In 2025, adapting to the digital revolution isn't optional. It's your key to unlocking breakthrough cases. Forget the old-school badge, embrace the future of investigation. Here's another common myth. You need years of experience or a cop background to become a private investigator. But what if I told you that the only thing stopping you is outdated thinking? In reality, licensing in 2025 is easier than ever, if you know where to look for the loopholes. For instance, in Texas, you can fast-track your PI license simply by taking an online course in surveillance training. LinkedIn reports a huge spike in job postings for cyber investigators. This isn't just a trend, it's your golden ticket to entering the field without the old-school baggage. Many of you watching are already solution-aware. You know there's a better way. The misconception that you must come from a law enforcement background is simply a relic of the past. The new reality is that technology, innovative online courses, and streamlined digital processes are democratizing the field. So, break free from the outdated myths. Embrace the digital revolution, fast-track your skills, and seize your opportunity as a modern private investigator in 2025. Now, let's break down the key steps to becoming a private investigator in 2025. Step 1. Research your state's requirements. Licensing rules vary widely. Some states now offer streamlined online processes, while others still enforce traditional in-person examinations. Before you launch your career, know exactly what your state demands. This might include background checks, mandatory training hours, and specific permits. Doing your homework here is absolutely crucial. Step 2. Leverage modern technology. Today's tech tools, such as online databases, drones, and AI-based surveillance software, can significantly lower your learning curve and cut costs. Not only do these innovations make investigations faster and more efficient, but they also enable you to compete with established agencies by working smarter, not harder. Step 3. Build practical skills quickly. Instead of waiting years to gain traditional experience, explore alternative training paths. Online courses, apprenticeships, and on-the-job training programs offer immediate real-world applications. Remember, hands-on practice is key to mastering everything from surveillance techniques to report writing and digital research. And finally, step 4, establish your unique positioning. In 2025, differentiation isn't just about having the best tech or training, it's about how you present yourself as an entrepreneur. Consider the story of an unconventional PI who carved out a niche by embracing digital tools and innovative methods. Now here's a critical business tip. If you're serious about launching your own PI business, registering an LLC is non-negotiable. An LLC not only legitimizes your operations, but also protects your personal assets. Bizee is one of the best LLC formation services on the market today. Be sure to check out the full review of Bizee in the description box and pinned comment below. Now let's talk about the essential skills you need to build practical expertise as a modern private investigator. Skill number 1, digital footprint analysis. Forget traditional fingerprint dusting. Today you can track anyone's location through their Instagram geotags. This skill lets you piece together a digital trail, revealing real-time movements and hidden patterns. Skill number 2, AI-powered surveillance. With advanced tools like Sentinel Visualizer, you can map out hidden connections that traditional methods would miss. This isn't just about watching a subject. It's about uncovering the intricate web of relationships and data behind every case. And finally, skill number 3, social engineering. It's not about hacking computers, it's about hacking human psychology. Understanding behavior, persuasion, and communication can be your secret weapon in extracting critical information from even the most guarded sources. Mastering these skills, digital footprint analysis, AI-powered surveillance, and social engineering will equip you with the practical tools to excel in today's digital investigative landscape. All right, now let's talk numbers. You've got your PI license. Now, how much can you actually make? If you're just starting out as a PI or have around 1 year of experience, expect to start at around $25 to $50 per hour. Meaning, if you take on a few simple cases a week, you're looking at $3,000 to $5,000 per month. But that's just the start. Once you've got 3 or more years under your belt and have honed your expertise, your earning potential jumps to $60,000 to $80,000 per year, especially if you specialize in high-demand areas like digital forensics or corporate investigations. For seasoned PIs who've mastered niche skills, like crypto tracing or AI-powered surveillance, the sky's the limit. Top-tier specialists can easily pull in $100,000 or more per year, with some even hitting 6 figures within their first 5 years. So, where do you actually find work? You have 2 main paths: freelance gigs or agency jobs. Freelance PIs take on one-off gigs like background checks, insurance fraud cases, and missing person investigations. If you go the agency route, entry-level PI jobs typically start at $40,000 to $55,000 per year. But once you specialize, your salary scales up fast. And what if you want to maximize your income? Specialize. The biggest opportunities right now are in crypto scams, corporate espionage, and TikTok influencer fraud. Crypto fraud investigations are exploding. Companies will pay PIs up to $10,000 per case to trace stolen Bitcoin. If you understand blockchain forensics, you can make serious money. Corporations are also hiring private investigators to track employee misconduct, data leaks, and insider threats. This pays anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000 per contract. And here's a wild one: TikTok influencer fraud. Brands are losing millions to fake engagement. If you can analyze social media footprints and spot fraudulent accounts, brands will pay top dollar for your expertise. The bottom line? This isn't just a job, it's an opportunity machine. Whether you want steady income or high-paying gigs, the future of private investigation is wide open, and it's yours to own. Real-life case studies and testimonials. In the evolving landscape of private investigation, success stories are emerging from unexpected places, challenging traditional norms and showcasing the power of modern techniques. Take, for instance, Zach XBT, a self-taught crypto investigator who, armed with only his phone and a deep understanding of blockchain technology, traced and flagged a $243 million Bitcoin theft. His efforts led to the arrest of 2 alleged hackers, demonstrating that dedication and digital expertise can rival traditional investigative methods. Then there's Cassie Crofts from Queensland, Australia. Transitioning from a media career, she trained as a private investigator and founded Venus Investigations. Specializing in exposing infidelity and conducting background checks on dating app users, Cassie leverages advanced technology and investigative skills to uncover the truth in people's love lives. Her innovative approach has not only built a successful business, but also garnered significant attention on platforms like TikTok. These stories illustrate that the path to success in private investigation is no longer confined to traditional routes. Embracing modern technology, continuous learning, and innovative thinking can open doors to opportunities previously unimaginable. Remember, the barriers you perceive are often self-imposed. By challenging outdated beliefs and equipping yourself with contemporary skills, you can redefine what's possible in the world of private investigation. Let's quickly recap the essential steps to kickstart your journey as a private investigator in 2025 debunking myths. We've shattered outdated beliefs, proving that traditional credentials are no longer gatekeepers in this field. Embracing technology. Modern tools like digital forensics and OSINT have revolutionized investigations, making them more accessible and efficient. Building practical skills. Alternative training paths, such as online courses and apprenticeships, offer rapid hands-on learning to equip you with market-ready skills. Establishing your unique positioning. Differentiating yourself is crucial. Forming an LLC not only legitimizes your operations, but also protects your personal assets. If you're serious about launching your own PI business, registering an LLC is non-negotiable. Bizee is one of the best LLC formation services on the market today. I've done a full review of Bizee down in the description box and in the pinned comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations into unconventional career paths. Comment below with the biggest myth you believed about the private investigation and how you plan to overcome it.